All right, so we have this system of inequalities here and here. So our first job is to graph them like their equations, right? So I'm going to turn x is greater than or equal to 7 into x equals 7. And I can go ahead and graph that because I know x equals 7 anywhere along this line. If you forget how to graph something like this, ask yourself, where does x equal 7? Well, it equals 7 there. It equals 7 there. Now I have 2 points I can draw a line. This other one, let's use the intercepts method. So I'm going to go ahead and write 0, comma, question mark, plug 0 in for x, solve for y. You see how this 0 is there, and when x is 0, y is 1.5, right? Same thing down here, I'm going to make y equal to 0 and make x the question mark. So I plug 0 in for y, solve for x, and when y is 0, x is 15. So I can graph those 2 points. 0, comma 1.5, and 15, comma 0. Go ahead and connect them with my line. Now to shade, I'm going to use 0, 0 as a test point. So let's do this different color. So for this equation, I'm going to bring it down here and I'm going to plug in 0 for x, 0 for y, which gets me 0 is less than or equal to 15. And that is true, so I shade on the same side as that point, all the way down. Now, with x is greater than or equal to 7, if I plug 0 in for x, let's change that color, plug 0 in for x, 0 is not greater than or equal to 7, so I don't shade on that side, I shade on this side, which gives me this feasible region and those vertices. So all that's left to do is plug those vertices into my objective function here, and that work is there. We know that the maximized point is where it's the biggest, which is right there.